sipping smoothies by the pool with my best friends. What a perfect way to spend a Saturday. I know, right? I think I could stay floating in this floaty flamingo forever. And these tiki fruit smoothies are so delicious. Plus, they're good for us so we can drink as many as we like. Whoa! You didn't tell us you installed a wave pool, Polly. I didn't think I had. Well, it's super relaxing, whatever it is. Are you sure you didn't install a wave machine? Of course I'm sure. Whee! This is fun! It's like being in the ocean. I think I'm going to get another round of smoothies. All this rocking around is starting to make me seasick. Make mine a watermelon. Whoa! Girls overboard! Are you two all right? Yeah, we're fine. But whatever it is that's causing all this shaking has got some explaining to do. Look at this mess! Do you think that he might have something to do with it? Definitely. Let's get out of here. Oh no, there's only room for two of us. It's okay. You two escape. I've got a bone to pick with this dino. Hey, over here! Oh, no you don't. No one eats my friends. Thanks, Mr. Butterfly. Oh, and by the way, I love your wings. Such beautiful colors. Polly, you're safe. We were so worried about you. I'm fine, but we still have one major dinosaur problem on our hands. What are we going to do? We'll never be able to use the pool again with that giant oaf stomping around. Maybe we can try and scare him away or something? Scare him away? Did you see the size of that thing? We're way too small to take down a dinosaur. Shani, that's it! Go big! Okay, everyone ready? Ready? Bring it on, dinosaur! Hey, where did it go? Maybe we scared it off after all? Oh no, it's back! Run! Wait a minute, that's not a dinosaur. It's just Greg. What's a Greg? Greg is the name of my brother's pet chameleon. Well, why was he trying to eat us? He wasn't trying to eat us. He was after our fruit smoothies. Well, at least we can go back to the pool and relax again. Right, but first, I think I'll take Greg back to Pierce's room. Otherwise, we'll have no more fruit smoothies left.
Let's go, let's go!